Welcome to Zinsser Bunch. My name is John from Luxton Painting in Newcastle. We're here to describe on how to get rid of molds, kill them, and then block them off. With Zinsser Smart Primer, and then the top coat of paint. So first of all, we have to think about the safeties. We need glasses, the rubber gloves, the nose mask, and the gloves as well. So for today, first of all, we have to use the mold control, which is Concrobium, to clean up and to kill the molds, and then we'll let it dry, and then we prime it with the Zinsser Smart Primer. Because it's already mixed, we don't need to mix it up again. So finally, we've come to an amazing result. From the start, the mold seems to be impossible, something that we cannot be able to deal with, but with the help of the Smart Primer, this is the final result. She looks amazing.